Hi everybody, I welcome you all to Rise Teachers YouTube channel. As usual, first of all, I thank you all for being with my channel. Today, I am going to teach you present continuous passive. මොනවාද මේ present continuous passive කියන්නේ? present continuous. මෙන්න මේ present continuous කියන්නේ මොනවාද කියලා දන්නේ නැත්නම් අපිට passive form එක ඉගෙන ගන්න බෑ. ඒ නිසා present continuous tense දන්නේ නැත්නම් මගේ කලින් වීඩියෝ එකක තියෙනවා present continuous කියන්නේ කොහොමද මොනවාද කොහොමද මේකේ sentences හදන්නේ කියලා ඒ වීඩියෝ එක අනිවාර්යෙන් බලලා හරියටම present continuous ඉගෙන ගන්න. දැනට මම චුට්ටක් මතක් කරන්නම්. present continuous tense අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ කතා කරන මොහොතේදී කරන සිද්ධ වෙන දේක් ගැන කියන්න. ඒකේ structure එක තමයි subject plus is am are plus verb plus ing. අපි බලමු දැන් සිද්ධ වෙන දෙයක් කිව්වොත් තාත්තා කායක සෝදනවා. දැන් father is washing the car. Subject father is helping verb එක main verb wash අගට ing දැම්ම washing object the car. Children are playing a game. ළමයි game එකක් සෙල්ලම් කරනවා. Mother is making a salad. අම්මා දැන් කුසියේ salad එකක් හදනවා. Mother is making a salad in the kitchen. අනිවාර්යෙන් is එක verb plus ing එන්නම ඕනි. දැන් කරන දෙයක්. Birds are eating grains. Birds are eating grains. ධාන්‍ය කනවා කුරුල්ලන් විසින්. Some people are selling vegetables in the fair. පොලේ සමහර මිනිස්සු මේ වෙලාවේ at the moment selling vegetables. එළවලු විකුණනවා. අන්න ඒ වගේ. එතකොට දැන් අපි passive rules බලමු. එතනදී අනිවාර්යෙන් active voice. ඉස්සලම බලමු active voice කියන්නේ කර්තෘකාරක. කර්තෘ මුලට එන. passive voice කියන්නේ කර්මකාරක. ඒ කියන්නේ කර්මය තමයි subject එක වෙන්නේ මුලට එන්නේ. එතකොට මෙන්න මේ active voice එක අනිවාර්යෙන් ඒකේ object එකක් තියෙන්නම ඕනි අපි passive කරනවා නම්. passive කරනවා නම් අනිවාර්යෙන් මේකේ object එකක් තියෙන්නම ඕනි. අපි මෙහෙම කිව්වොත් they are selling vegetables. They subject are helping verb sell අගට ing දැම්ම selling object එක තමයි vegetables. එතකොට අපි කර්මය තමයි මුලට ගන්නවා. vegetable object එක තමයි අපි මුලට ගන්න ඕන. හැබැයි එහෙම නැති එකක් අපිට passive කරන්න බෑ. අපි මෙහෙම ගත්තොත් they are going to school. They subject are going verb to school what? Complement, not the subject. එහෙනම් verb should be intransitive. Should be transitive, not intransitive. In this sentence, the verb is intransitive. That means the verb doesn't follow an object. The verb doesn't follow an object. She is washing the car. Washing what? There is an object, the car. Then the verb also transitive. එහෙනම් passive voice එකේදී verb should be definitely transitive. දැන් මම හිතන්නේ ඔන්න first එක දැන් දැනගත්තා. passive voice වලදී ඕනම tense එකකදී there must have an object in the active voice sentence. That means the verb should be transitive. ඊළඟට verb should be kept in past participle. අපි පාවිච්චි කරන verb එක අනිවාර්යෙන් තියන්න ඕනේ past participle එකේ. මොනවාද මේ past participle කියන්නේ? go, went, gone. Go present tense, went past tense, gone past participle. Eat present tense, ate past tense, eaten past participle. Write present tense, wrote past tense, written past participle. Sing present tense, sang past tense, sung past participle. Drive present tense, drove past tense, driven past participle. In a may driven, eaten, gone, seen, like that. In a past participle form should be taken in the passive voice. On a first take a verb should be followed by an object. Second one, the verb in the sentence should be kept in past participle. ඊළඟට present continuous active voice sentence එකක් passive කරද්දී definitely we have to add being been. මෙතනදී අපිට being add කරන්න වෙනවා. හරි අපි දැන් බලමු. Father is washing the car. Father subject is washing a verb. The car is the object of the sentence. Then object, ඒ කියන්නේ අපි කාර්යක එකක් කර්මකාරකයට හරවනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ කර්මයේ object එක තමයි car. Then the car should be taken from. The car is being add වෙන්න ඕනේ. being been. wash කියන එකේ past participle එක washed. By father. By father. The car is being washed by father. ඔහු සින්දුවක් කියනවා මේ දැන්. He is singing a song. He is singing a song. A song is being sung by him. අන්න එතනදී බලන්න subject pronoun එක he should become him. At the end of the sentence, the subject pronoun should become objective pronouns. He is singing a song. A song is being sung by him. That girl is reciting a poem. That girl is reciting a poem. A poem is being recited by the girl. That girl is reciting a poem. Then a poem is being recited by that girl. Father is reading a book. Just now. Tata pata kiyavana. A book is being read by father. A book is being read by father. They are playing a game. They are playing a game. A game is being played by them. And එතනදී subject pronoun එක object වෙනවා. Objective. They becomes them. A game is being played by them. Mother is washing clothes. Mother is washing clothes. Amaridi sodana. Clothes are being washed by mother. Clothes are being washed by mother. ළමයි මල් කඩනවා. ළමයි මල් කඩනවා. දැන් එහෙනම් කොහොමද කියන්නේ active එක? Children are picking flowers. Children are picking flowers. Flowers are being picked by children. Flowers are being picked by children. මිනිස්සු වත්ත පිරිසිදු කරනවා. People are cleaning the garden. People are cleaning the garden. The garden is being cleaned by the people. The garden is being cleaned by the people. ඔහු ගහක් කපනවා. He is cutting a tree. He is cutting a tree. A tree is being cut by him. A tree is being cut by him. I am reading a story. I am reading a story. A story is being read by me. Read past tense, read past participle, read. A story is being read by me. Some are buying vegetables. සමහරු එළවලු මිලදී ගන්නවා. දැන් සමහරු. Some are buying vegetables. Vegetables are being bought by some. vegetables are being bought by some. මං හිතන්නේ හරිම ලේසි. හැබැයි හරියට මතක තියාගන්න ඕනි present continuous කියන්නේ මොනවාද? ඊළඟට passive voice වල rules මොනවාද? verb එක past participle තියන්න ඕනි. present continuous වලදී නම් be ing එකතු වෙන්න ඕන. active voice sentence එක passive කරනවා නම් අනිවාර්යෙන් ඒකේ object එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. අන්න ඒ විදිහට. They are painting the house. They are painting the house. The house is being painted by them. මං හිතන්නේ ඒක තේරෙනවා ඇති දැන්. තව මෙහෙම එකක් කියුවොත් mother is writing a letter. Mother is writing a letter. A letter is being written by mother. Write, wrote, written. අපි ගත්තේ past participle form එක. A letter is being written by mother. ඔහුගේ සෝදනවා. He is washing the house. He is washing the house. The house is being washed by him. The house is being washed by him. Sister is watering the flower plants. Sister is watering the flower plants. Flower plants are being watered by sister. Flower plants are being watered by sister. Child is lighting a candle. Child is lighting a candle. A candle is being lit by child. Candle is being lit by child. Child is lighting a candle. A candle is being lit by child. She is cleaning my table. She is cleaning my table. My table is being cleaned by her. My table is being cleaned by her. Cows are eating grass. Just now, cows are eating grass. Grass is being eaten by cows. Grass is being eaten by cows. Dog is eating a bone. Dog is eating a bone. A bone is being eaten by dog. මං හිතන්නේ ඔයාලට හොඳටම තේරෙන්න ඇති. අපි ඊළඟ වීඩියෝ එකකින් ඉගෙන ගනිමු කොහොමද අපි මේකේ question form එක කියලා. මේක මොන හරි ඔයගලන්ට තේරුන්නේ නැත්නම් මට කමෙන්ට් කරන්න. මම එතකොට ඔයගලන්ට එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරන්නම් මොකද්ද ඔයගලන්ට කරන්න මම කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා. ඒ වගේම මගේ වීඩියෝ එක හොඳයි කියලා හිතෙනවා නම් subscribe කරන්න අමතක කරන්න එපා. like කරන්න, යාළුවන්ටත් බලන්න, share කරන්න. තව ඊළඟට අපි මේකේ question form එකත් එක්ක මුණ ගැහෙමු.